Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today's message is simple. Listen, learn, and improve your English. First, listen carefully. Second, learn new words daily. Third, practice speaking every day. Repeat after me. I can improve my English. I can improve my English. I can improve my English. I will practice daily. I will practice daily. I will practice daily. I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I understand simple English. I understand simple English. I understand simple English. I try again and again. I try again and again. I try again and again. Remember, the more you listen, the better you speak. Keep practicing and never give up.